Have you ever wondered what it would be like to build a house in the middle of the ocean? Well, today we are diving into MrBeast's latest revealed adventure. Picture this and imagine this. As you know, guys, this is my third video of today on 5 December 2024. And as you know, this is my new adventure story. So just imagine this, okay? Picture this, imagine this. A massive floating platform surrounded by endless blue water, and MrBeast is determined to turn that vision into reality. But it's not just about the thrill. There is a deeper lesson here. As he gathers his team, they face challenges, unpredictable weather, rising tides, and the sheer logistics of transporting materials. Each obstacle teaches them something valuable about perseverance and teamwork. And they learn that success often comes from navigating failures, and that every setback is just a stepping stone toward their goal. Now let's talk about the word meanings behind this project. Building a house in the ocean symbolizes breaking boundaries and thinking outside the box. It represents innovation and sustainability, showing us that with creativity we can find new ways to live harmoniously with nature. MrBeast is not just building a house; he is building awareness about environmental responsibility and the importance of preserving our oceans. As the house begins to take shape, it becomes a beacon of hope and inspiration for viewers everywhere. It reminds us that dreams can be pursued no matter how impossible they seem. So whether you are an aspiring creator or just us or someone who loves a good challenge, let MrBeast's oceanic adventure inspire you to chase your dreams, no matter how big or small. Remember, every great achievement starts with a leap of faith. So what are you waiting for? Dive into your own ocean of possibilities. Okay, bye for now.